Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, recovery from the cold snap has been slow going, but it's happening. The nights ahead should start warming up substantially, and the days also, though increasing cloud may hamper that to some degree. There's a decent chance we'll get through the week without a drop of rain, but it will be close. Last night across the Wide Bay Burnet was only slightly warmer than the night before, with Bundaberg falling to 11 degrees and Gayndah just 5, but we hit 24 today, so that's a start. Let's take a look at the satellite loop. We're starting to see smears of cloud just along the coast, most notably the North Tropical Coast, and also a few clouds, low-level clouds that is, around the offshore islands like Fraser, Moreton and Stradbroke, etc. They're the first places to get showers. Up on the mainland we've had almost no rain, but we're starting to see a few isolated showers get to exposed parts of the coast, and there'll be more of that tomorrow. On today's chart, the high that we've been tracking for so long is in the process of splitting and moving across the New South Wales coast into the Tasman Sea, and as a result we are already now getting onshore winds. Remember the anti-clockwise rule around high, so the winds have got more moisture now, so the nights will start to get warmer. On tomorrow's chart, the high moves right off the coast and we end up being in that limbo zone between two high pressure centres, which means the winds will be light, especially in the south. Beautiful boating. On the outlook chart, we see a bit of a weak trough passage here coming, and ahead of that it's going to be quite warm right through Queensland, but after it things will start to cool down again just very slightly. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Hervey Bay waters: southeast winds just 10 knots tomorrow, hardly any waves. Thursday, south to southeast 10, great boating. Friday, almost southerly and 10 to 15 knots. Gari offshore waters, 10 to 15 knot easterlies tomorrow, but avoid that 2 metre southerly swell by staying inshore. Variable winds on Thursday and Friday, almost due southerly, 10 to 15. Massive full moon tides at the moment, with another round of king tides due mid-July. The main peak is tonight, with a lesser peak tomorrow morning. The Wide Bay Burnet district, some inland fog, slight chance of a coastal shower only. Bundaberg 13 up to 24 degrees. Gympie also 24, 23 for Hervey Bay, and Maribor 25. Looking ahead for Bundaberg, a few fluffy clouds over the next 7 days, but mostly sunshine and no rain. Temperatures peaking around 25 this Wednesday, Thursday, then cooling down again for the weekend. And that's a wrap for this evening. Weather friends, hope you enjoy the milder conditions ahead, and I hope you come back again tomorrow to switch on 7 local weather. Meanwhile, take it easy and I'll catch you on the rebound. Now it's back to the team.
You're wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Nice having you company, folks. And a reminder, if you'd like to watch anything again, catch up on our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Good night.